Welcome back to Gold Auto World, and today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful, most anticipated, and most talked about heavy machines in the earth-moving world. The 2027 Caterpillar D14 bulldozer. This is a machine that contractors, construction professionals, mining operators, and heavy equipment enthusiasts around the globe are watching closely because it promises to deliver next-level performance, efficiency, and durability. We're going to go deep into what makes the 2027 Caterpillar D14 such an exciting piece of machinery, what we expect from it in terms of power and capability, how it compares to industry standards, what its price might look like in USD, and why it's generating so much buzz nearly a year before it's widely available. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to own, operate, or even just learn about one of the most impressive dozers ever made, stick with us here on Gold Auto World because this video script is going to cover everything in detail. One of the first things we need to understand about the 2027 Caterpillar D14 is that Caterpillar as a company has a long legacy of engineering heavy machinery that can handle the toughest tasks on the planet. Caterpillar bulldozers are known for their brute strength, legendary durability, and capacity to operate in the harshest environments, from massive mining sites to major highway projects and massive earth-moving tasks where precision and power must work together seamlessly. While Caterpillar has official information on many of its current models, specific details about the 2027 model year of the D14 are still emerging. What we do know is based on the trajectory of Caterpillar's development, what's been shared in the industry, and how large bulldozers like this typically perform based on historical data from similar heavy-class dozers. The D14 is expected to be a top-tier heavy-duty machine that sits above many of the systems that smaller or mid-range dozers operate with. Even though exact official horsepower figures and full spec sheets for the 2027 model have not yet been published, we can project that the 2027 Caterpillar D14 will deliver extremely high performance with a robust, powerful engine capable of delivering output in the very high hundreds of horsepower, if not more, making it an absolute beast on the job site. When we talk about bulldozers, especially those in Caterpillar's D-Series, it's important to understand how these machines are categorized. On platforms that track heavy equipment specs and market listings, dozers range from models like the smaller D4 and D6 series, which are used for lighter site work and grading, up to massive machines like the D11, which operate in heavy mining and large earth-moving environments. These machines' capabilities and price ranges reflect their intended use. Smaller dozers are more affordable and used in a variety of commercial and construction applications, while larger models are expensive and built for industrial-scale operations. Industry insight sources indicate that larger dozers can cost anywhere from around $800,000 to over $2,000 USD for new heavy-duty machines, depending on the model, options, and technology packages included. Alibaba. This price band is a good reference point when you think about the 2027 Caterpillar D4. While Caterpillar has not released an official MSRP for the 2027 version of the D14, expectations based on the market and comparable ultra-class machines suggest that the D14 will sit in the high end of that spectrum. We can reasonably estimate that a fully equipped 2027 Caterpillar D14 could reach well over $1 million in price, potentially ranging from around $1,000 to $2,000 USD or more, depending on dealer configurations, optional attachments, automation packages, and technological systems that are included as part of the build. The large price tags we see with new heavy equipment like this include advanced features such as integrated machine control systems, precision grade control technologies, heavy-duty undercarriage option, other modular capabilities that significantly boost productivity and efficiency on the job. One thing that sets the 2027 Caterpillar D14 apart from older and current mid-range dozers is the increasing integration of smart machine technologies. Caterpillar has steadily been rolling out systems like Cat Grade with Assist, automated blade control, and advanced telematics that allow fleet managers to monitor performance, fuel usage, and maintenance needs in real time. These intelligent systems are designed to reduce operator fatigue, cut down on rework, improve precision, and ultimately maximize return on investment for companies that rely on these machines every day. While we don't yet have full confirmation of which exact systems will be standard on the 2027 D14, industry trends strongly suggest that digital integration and automation will play a key role. Advanced operator assistance features help reduce the number of passes needed to achieve final grade, meaning projects are completed faster with less fuel burned and fewer operator hours. This is especially valuable when you consider the scale at which machines like the D14 are used, whether it's moving massive amounts of earth, pushing heavy loads, or preparing large sites for construction or infrastructure work. Another area where Caterpillar traditionally excels is in the design of the operator's environment. Modern heavy equipment cabins are built with comfort, visibility, and ease of use in mind, because expert operators often spend long hours inside them. Ergonomic seating, adjustable controls, HVAC systems, touchscreen interfaces, and panoramic views all contribute to operators feeling more comfortable and less fatigued during long shifts. Improved audio systems, reduced cabin noise, and better vibration control also play a part in creating a safer, more productive working space. While 2027 Caterpillar D14 specific cabin specs are not yet published, Caterpillar's design philosophies suggest that operators will have a spacious, well-equipped environment, making even the toughest jobs easier to handle over longer periods. In terms of powertrain and undercarriage, two core mechanical aspects of any bulldozer, the D14 will likely sustain Caterpillar's reputation for durability and performance. The undercarriage of a large dozer like the D14 is designed to withstand immense forces as the machine pushes, cuts, and maneuvers over rough terrain. Heavy-duty track systems, reinforced rollers, and robust sprockets are essential for ensuring traction and longevity. This is critical for jobs in mining, quarrying, and major earth-moving operations, where machines operate in harsh environments and downtime can be extremely costly. Caterpillar's track systems are engineered to minimize slippage and maximize grip, ensuring that the machine applies its power efficiently, even when conditions are less than ideal. The blade itself, the most recognizable and functional part of the bulldozer, will also be designed for maximum effectiveness. Large blades capable of moving high volumes of material per pass make heavy machines like the D14 efficient at leveling ground, clearing debris and shaping terrain according to project plans. Blade design, whether straight, semi-U, or universal, affects how much material can be moved and how the material behaves during the push. Caterpillar offers multiple blade types and optional configurations, so that buyers can tailor the machine for specific tasks, whether precision grading, high-capacity material pushing, or mixed operations. Now let's talk about price again, but in more concrete terms. Based on current market data for large dozers and industry insight into where ultra-class machines like the D14 sit, a 2027 Caterpillar D14 is expected to cost significantly more than smaller models. Large bulldozers are sometimes priced well above $1 million USD, especially when equipped with the latest technology and factory options that enhance productivity and operational efficiency. As we mentioned earlier, a realistic starting estimate for a fully featured 2027 Caterpillar D14 would likely be between $1,000 and $2,000 USD or more before dealer add-ons and optional packages. Alibaba. These price expectations reflect not only the sheer size and capability of the machine, but also the advanced systems, engineering excellence, and long-term durability that Caterpillar is known for. For many operations around the world, investing in a machine like the D14 is not about having the cheapest machine, it's about having the right machine that delivers consistent uptime, high productivity, and long service life. Companies that rely on heavy earth-moving equipment understand that the cost of owning and operating machinery includes not just the initial purchase price, but fuel, maintenance, operator skill, and how quickly and accurately jobs are completed. When you break it down, the 2027 Caterpillar D14 is more than just a bulldozer. It's a technological platform built for heavy lifting, precision control, rugged endurance, and integration with modern job site workflows. From massive construction sites where grading precision is key to mining environments where rock and debris must be pushed and leveled consistently, machines like the D14 are designed to handle the workload with reliability. To many in the industry, the 2027 model year of the Caterpillar D14 represents a continuation of Caterpillar's strategy to blend raw mechanical power with modern digital systems that boost productivity. This combination helps contractors do more with less. Less fuel, fewer passes, fewer operator hours, and ultimately less project cycle time. That's why companies are willing to invest substantial sums of money into these machines, because the operational advantages can outweigh the upfront cost in demanding applications. As we look ahead toward 2027 and beyond, the Caterpillar D14 is positioned to be one of the heavy equipment stars, a flagship bulldozer that represents the peak of what Caterpillar's engineering teams can deliver. Whether it's pushing rock in a quarry, preparing a foundation for a massive building, shaping earth for highways, or supporting mining operations where reliability is non-negotiable, the 2027 Caterpillar D14 is being designed to meet those challenges head-on. Thanks for watching here on Gold Auto World. We hope this breakdown gives you a detailed understanding of what to expect from the 2027 Caterpillar D14, including its potential price range, advanced capabilities, and why it's such a highly anticipated heavy machine in the construction and mining world. If you're excited about heavy equipment like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to Gold Auto World for the latest insights into powerful machines that shape the world around us.